Hello, my name is Juliana Francisca Pinto Cifuentes, Course Phonetics and Phonology, University National Open in the same month. So, that's 7 recording, 1 reading. Emotions are a state or feeling that often intense last for only a short time and are currently very reading or touched by someone or some psychic stating possible emotion is called you pride, early love, and compassion with most other positive and joyful only and shepherd negative emotion in cold and were inside get him saying even the gods. 2. Minimal files. Cat, back, white, wait, right, rat, cat, knit, take, stick, cut, pink, big, thick, pink, tears, pears, day, pie, dick, pink, deer, pig, duck, book, duck, bite, tall, core, tall, core, tap, cup, talk, cut, count, gaunt, pick, goat, duck, cat, tool, goat, tank, gut, table, gap, tin, pig, pop, five, ton, funk, pink, big. 3. Intonation. Stymie with one streak. She works with arms. It stopped. Stymie with two strikes. Tom is riding. Mike is surfing. The car stopped. The water has changed. Stymie with three strikes. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The water is going to change. Stymie with 4 street. She goes to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very keenly. The teacher told her studying and store. Stymie with 5 street. Alice wrote the letters very curious. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you wrote yesterday. A special question. Paging intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? Living. Friendly interest. Polygnates. Written intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question. Written intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request reading intonation. May I speak to ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I Borrow your dictionary, please. Alternative question, reason, and finding intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read book in the morning or that night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That question, finding or raising intonation. You do come then do you? They have found it half day. You weren't late, were you? I showed dog is showed it. Commands, function, intonation. Told me there soon, giving me your hand, do it yourself, act if for self, regards reason intonation. Closing the window, please. The your name, please. Ask him to come in, please. Exclamatory sentences, firing intonation. Is is God to see you is an excellent opportunity. It is so happy. Direct address, raising intonation. Ella, can you tell me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, raising intonation. About bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Response. I can, she is, he will, you saw, I can, he did. Bye bye.